Pilihan sungguh bahai pi boro asyakani ke channel ke jangi badhakani ke video mata singin pe yakini ki post ki barang sulai buat syua bangin sedang ke video syukur ban penting bagi educational qualifications dan niki jing don kam haki jing pule but kumno ban apply ya kini ki post la ai pok kan ke video tementang in pe yakini ki post ki balak ka DSC South Garo Hills ka apply yakini ki post mentau benai arajar poi ki kerteng jeng ki post ki longkum ni LDA grade 3 clerk diet grade 3 gram sevak grade 3 soil water conservation demonstration grade 3 selection assistant grade 3 vaccinator grade 3 grade 4 game watcher grade 4 but driver grade 4 ka tarik ke bakat do ba pilak ban submit ki applications ke jangpi kadai hu khat pra tarik banai June arajar phoi kane ka tarik kadai ke bala extend hendrai ka tarik ke bam sha batibo kadai hu sau tarik banai June arajar phoi tambam ta la extend chaka ka pra tarik mentang in pe yaki tulop jangki ni ki post LDA grade 3 clerk diet grade 3 gram sevak grade 3 yakini ki post katulap kalong kumjo kadai arpsau hajar hanya spa hado sapo prahajar sau spa yaki post soil water conservation demonstration grade 3 but ka post selection assistant grade 3 ka tulap kalong kumjo kadai apo ar hajar ar spa hado sanpo ar hajar sau spa ya ka post vaccinator grade 3 ka tulap kadai kat kandai hajar hado sau hajar praspa but kado igini ki post likely ka grade 4 game watcher grade 4 but ka driver grade 4 ki tulap jong kini ki post ki dai khatnya hajar sau spa hado sau phoi hajar mentang ipe ki educational qualifications ki badan kam syaba pen apply ki di post ya ka post LDA grade 3 ka balaj pautli haban pendap ya ka HSSLC lane ka higher school secondary living certificate but habdon ya ka diploma course ha ka computer amarkin sa penlang ya ka computer test ya ka post clerk diet grade 3 ka balaj kawai pihak ban pendap ya ka graduation but pihak bandan ya ka diploma ha ka computer course kaniru kin sa penlang ya ka computer test ya ka post gram sevak grade 3 kabalai arteli kaniru pihak ban pendap ya ka HSSLC lane ka higher school secondary living certificate but kin sa penlong ya ka physical test nakabanta kan ka post ya ka post soil water conservation demonstration grade 3 kabalai sauteli kaniru pihak ban pendap ya ka HSSLC but ya kaniru kin penlong ya ka physical test ya ka post selection assistant grade 3 kabalai kawai kaniru pihak ban pendap ya ka HSSLC lane higher school secondary living certificate ba ya ka post vaccinator grade 3 kabalai kawai kaniru pihak ban pendap ya ka HSSLC ya ka post grade 4 kabalai sautali ki post pihak ban pendap ya ka class 12 ba ya ka post game watcher grade 4 kabalai kawai kaniru pihak ban pendap ya kelas 12 buat kado ya ka post driver ru grade 4 kabalai kawai pihak ban pendap ya ka kelas 12 hujung pi te kitu ki ba dan jingbot lane bakwa ban apply gini ki post pihak ban apply online naka website jang ka DSC South Garo Hills kabadai ka http www.southgarohills.gov.in ya ka official notification ngala ai po description juga ke video te philaban download juga to ka PDF but philaban page susu iki details lada phidang dan kam shu ban tip shipang ki